here at one of my favorite thrift stores. I'm in the sporting goods aisle and found these vintage ski poles. I really like these for hiking sticks. Especially this old one has a leather strap, cork handle. They're really lightweight and great for hiking out in the woods. Let's see the price on this. It's $3. So I'm gonna grab this. I found this bamboo one, so I'm gonna pick this up and see if I can make a bow out of it. So stick with me and we'll get right to the project. You gonna help me make a bow and arrow out of this when we get home? So I've got my vintage bamboo ski pole. I'm gonna see if I can make it into a bow. I like this little leather strap here. Use that for a handle. See if we can use that for the handle of our bow. Take off that $3 price tag. Got a little flex to it. I don't know how much it can flex before it breaks. Okay, now I have the ends cut. Put some duct tape to reinforce it so the bowstring doesn't split the bamboo. For our bowstring, we're going to use paracord. So that's what you probably have in a survival situation. Just use a simple knot tie loop and pull it through on itself like this. And go ahead and string the bow so we can find the center and put our handle on. Now your bow is strung. Now what we want to do is find the center to put our handle. And there we go. Vintage bamboo ski pole repurposed into a 5-minute bow and arrow. Let's see how it shoots. My simple bow I made from vintage $3 bamboo ski pole using some paracord, duct tape, and leather strap from the handle. Let's see how it shoots. Not bad. Thanks, guys.